Kung first time mo mag-pick up o naghahanap ka ng reliable na pang-negosyo at pang-pamilya, hindi mo na kailangan gumastos ng sobra. Kasi itong pickup truck na to, grabe sa value for money. Hi, I'm Janet Barcia from Mitsubishi Paco Otis Manila Main Branch. So in this video, iisa-isahin natin ang features, performance, and practicality para malaman mo kung worth it nga ba itong entry-level pickup truck na to, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton GLX 4x2 Automatic. Simulan natin sa engine. For the model and type, meron siyang 4in16 2.4 liter turbocharged direct injection diesel at syempre Euro 4 compliant. Meron siyang maximum power of 183 PS by 3,500 RPM and maximum torque na 430 Nm by 2,250 to 2,500 RPM and fuel tank capacity of 75 liters. For the transmission, it is 6-speed automatic. For the specification, sa length, meron siyang 5,320 mm. Sa width, meron siyang 1,865 mm. Sa height, 1,795 mm. For the wheelbase, 3,130 mm. At ground clearance na 222 mm. For the bed interior length, meron siyang 1,555 mm. For the interior width, 1,545 mm. For the height, 525 mm. For the cargo floor height, meron siyang 820 mm. Yung kanyang gross vehicle weight, 2,910 kg at curb weight na 1,805 kg at seating capacity of 5 seaters. Meron din siyang payload capacity na 1,115 kg. Sa suspension naman, sa front meron itong independent wishbone with coil springs at sa rear ay rigid with lift springs. For the braking system, sa front meron itong ventilated disc at sa rear ay leading and trailing drums. And also equipped with anti-lock braking system and electronic brake force distribution and equipped na rin siya ng brake assist. For the tires, meron itong 265 by 60 by R18. Sa wheels naman, meron itong 18 by 7.5J silver alloy. For the steering system, hydraulic ang steering niya. Naka-leather wrap na rin at equipped ng audio control and cruise control. And for the adjustment, tilt and telescopic. For the multimedia system, naka 8 inches touchscreen display with AM, FM radio, Bluetooth with hands-free technology, USB connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For the USB port sa front and rear, meron dalawang klase, isang Type A at isang Type C, and equipped with 6 speakers. For the safety, meron itong airbag sa driver's side, passenger side, at driver's knee, and of course, seat belts. Seat belt reminder, reverse camera, active stability and traction control, hill start assist, trailer stability assist, ISOFIX and tether anchor, at for the lock and unlock system, naka-remote keyless entry siya. For the interior, sa driver's side, naka 6-way manual adjustable. Sa may front passenger naman, naka 4-way manual adjustable. For the seat material, it is black high-grade fabric with stitching. Yung kanyang instrument cluster display ay 7 inches color LCD at yung kanyang air conditioning system ay single zone automatic. And for the exterior, ang kanyang headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lamps are all halogen. And of course, equipped with bed liner and equipped na rin siya ng tailgate assist for the 2026 model. So if you are interested, please contact me at 0968-7094944. That is my personal contact number as well as my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Janet Barcia from Mitsubishi Paco Otis Manila Main Branch. See you!